It's been a while that we did this, and today we are going to...
Alright, dito na tayo. Welcome to Clark, and we are at Aqua Planet. So yeah, mainit, pero given na yan. Ito na kami. May gamit namin. Ayan sila. Easy, you excited? So this is the outside. Sobrang luwag. Ayan na si Elle. Sakit sa balat ng init. But all good. Mag-enjoy naman tayo. Okay, shoot muna kami ng mga kailangan namin i-shoot. Pwede mo si Easy, oh. Easy, are you ready? Okay. Easy, what will you play first? Hi, good afternoon. There you go. Salamat, salamat. Marami bang tao?
Yes.
Mga humahabol ng ano. Malamigan lang sila. Sorry. Habol. Mainit kasi, kaya gusto nila mag-ano. Guys, I'm with Miss Ella of Aqua Planet. Salamat sa pag-asikaso sa amin. At hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta kung sakali. Pero actually, it's really easy to go inside na. Once nakuha mo na yung admissions nyo, tuloy-tuloy na. So, mukhang dito mag-e-enjoy si Easy. We go this way. This way. So, this is the middle area. Ang kinuha naming lounge is the Nova Lounge, kung saan kasha ang 15 people. And nag-invest na rin kami na may sariling shower and CR para komportable kami. Kasi kung hindi, kukuha kayo ng ibang cabanas, medyo shared restroom and showers kayo. So, ayun na, dagdag bayad na lang para may sariling shower na kami. So, tips and tricks para sa inyo, para mas lalo nyo ma-enjoy yung experience nyo dito. Then for food, make sure you buy early para ma-enjoy nyo. So I'm back outside. Napalayas ako. Joke lang. May naiwan ako. Yung bed ni Elion. So, I went back to get it. Pati yung battery pang drone. Siyempre, kailangan namin mag-drone shots para ma-enjoy. Alright, I'm go back inside. Yan, nag-enjoy ang baby. So, ito yung Nova Lounge. Marami pala sila dito. And, nag-order na kami ng pagkain namin. So far, lots of water. Daming rice. Chicken. And seafood! Panalo ko. Nasaan? Mamaya, pagkatapos mag-swimming and everything, kain na. So, I'm sure gusto nyo makita ko na yung tsura na Aqua Planet dito. So, I will take you straight to the drone shot. Ready? 3, 2, 1, drone shot. And that's exactly why Nova Lounge ang kinuha namin. May sariling shower, sariling CR, convenience. Nakakabahan ako dito ah. Hi sir! Look at that! Good man! Ano ba yan? Ay, teka! Tuloy! Kala ko mamatay tayo.
She will swim again later.
You having fun, Easy? Let's go to the playground. Let's swim together. Shoot the people, oh. Go, 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 go.
No, I wanna go there.
Where? This one? Let's go here.
Waterfall.
Oh, ready. Let's run. Let's go.
I'm gonna be walking here. Let's go.
Na-miss kami ni Easy. Sabi niya, let's go to the water park. Na-guilty naman kami ni Mel. Tumakas kami. Okay, bawi kay Easy. Let's go.
It's easy.
Woo! Easy, come. Woo! Ganito na.
Palamig ka.
Oo nga. 2.
Mommy and Daddy.
Only Easy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's funny. Let's go over here. I'll go back up. Are you ready? Wait for your turn. Mommy's there. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Ready and woo! Kamusta yung kanina, Kyle?
Harapan ng Mars.
Wala ako ng boses. Lugi siya eh. Mahirap na harap. Lugi siya eh. Yung pala feeling
10
ng...
out of 10.
Yung pala feeling ng tae. Na ma-flash.
Dapat read every right.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Ito naman next. Boom.
Ano tawag
Ay,
yan?
ano dyan?
Nasa
Ito?
dito, exit.
Ito. Exit pala to. So ito pala experience sa magiging tae. So ito pala feeling ng tae.
Ano ba bagay?
Allowance. Ito ba yung pinakamalupit? Purple. Oo naman.
Saya, di ba?
Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Let's go! My God! Maganda yung last part. That was fun. Inuna namin yung purple, yung pinakamalupit daw. Yun yung... Ibigay sa atin yung camera. Ayaw. Okay, final verdict for Aqua Planet. Kung pamilya kayo pupunta dito, kung nagtitipid kayo, pwede kayo magkabana. But kung kaya nyo mag-invest sa isang lounge, do the Nova Lounge. Pero kung sobrang dami nyo, tipong company outing na parang 60 plus people, I think Infinity ata, Galaxy ata, suite ang tawag dun. Up to 60 people ang kaya. Pero kami, since konti lang kami, mga 10, 11, Nova Lounge ang kinuha namin para ma-enjoy na namin ang sariling shower. No, Mami?
Yes!
Enjoy, enjoy.
Enjoy!
Ay, di ka nag-slide eh.
Babalik kami.
Di ka nag-slide eh. Pag pupunta ka dito, dapat mag-slide ka. Pero, ay, Miss Ella.
Thank you, Miss Ella.
So we had fun. It was a good one. It's
Kanino ko ba susurrender?
super bitin pa. Parang sana we went earlier pa. But ganun talaga ang buhay ng ano, with 2 kids. It's a lot of fun. Make sure meron kayong parang watcher na taga-bantay ng mga gamit. And overall, just go around and enjoy. Lucky lang kami na bukas ang Father's Day. So karamihan ng punta nila is tomorrow. Kaya hindi kami umabot ng libo-libo na tao dito. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Ako Planet. It was a good one. Happy Father's Day.